Ready to turn that dream vacation Pinterest board into reality without breaking the bank? First, head over to Booking.com and search for your desired destination and dates. Just like you normally would, finding the perfect hotel, apartment, or villa is the first step. Browse through the available options and select the accommodation that best suits your needs and budget. Click on your choice to view more details. Review all the details, like photos, amenities, and, of course, to price. Make sure it ticks all your boxes before moving on. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and any special requests you might have. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Now comes the exciting part. On the payment page, look for Klarna as a payment option. It's usually displayed alongside credit cards and other payment methods. If you don't see it, the accommodation might not offer Klarna, so try another place to stay. Select Klarna, and you'll be presented with different installment options. Choose the payment plan that best fits your budget and financial situation. Klarna will show you the payment schedule clearly. After confirming your payment plan with Klarna, Booking.com will confirm your reservation. Download the Klarna app to easily manage your payments, track your spending, and stay on top of your payment schedule. And that's it. You've successfully booked your dream vacation using Klarna on Booking.com, making it more affordable and manageable. Now, all that's left to do is pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.